Welcome guys to another video. This is going to be a short video of the Baseus or Baseus or however you want to pronounce the cable, but yeah, it's from this company. I got a type C and I got a micro USB. So I know I won't need any cutter thing because I tricked the box out and the box kind of seemed even out. And it's this cables. Let me just show you around the box. So the type C comes in a box type of enclosure. This whenever the camera decides to work, okay, just if I can get that in focus for you guys. I don't know why. Okay, so there's rapid charge, it's called full, and high density. So this cable is quite good. I've been using the one for my Sony phone, and it's been working quite well. My Sony phone has like battery issue, so I don't know. But I've been using this one now, and this is the different one. Just some more information at the back. Let's get into the unboxing of it. So this is an unboxing of two different types of cables. So when you open it like that, nice braided cable. So I don't know if you guys can see, like braided cable, and on the ends they like reinforced the end part of it. So this is type C one, and this is 100 meters, yeah, 100 centimeters. It has a nice strap, velcro strap to it when it comes in, and it's basically 100 meters. There is some sticker stuff that's there, what they ask you to fill in, but and look like a warranty card. Yeah, a warranty card you get, and some stickers. So this is the one with the type C cable. Then just leave that one side. So this is now the micro USB. This one is the ones what's like for the Blackberries and for the older type of phones. But what's unique about this one has a light to it. So this one's also 100 centimeters, if I'm right. Well, according to Takealot, it says 100 centimeters. So this one looks like that. And I'm not sponsored by them, I just like how the product is. If Baseus wants to sponsor me, I would really appreciate it. But yeah, it's just the normal one. That's the cable, it's like the Blackberries and so on. But like the type C one, there is just like a it's just like a Velcro type, but it's not like the other one. This one has like material to it, so I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, when my camera decides to be like working, I think my camera is like on an off buzz or something, So there's like a material type to it. I actually like how this one looks compared to the Velcro, everywhere Velcro what's on the Type C cables. So I don't know if you guys can see it. My camera's been a bit weird. And both of it is what do you call this? Braided cables. So it's braided cables, 100 meters, 100 meters. But this one has like a light that's around there. And this one is only with what so far I know is with micro USB. I do wish that they actually have ones where there is the light, which is kind of cool. I'm not gonna unstrap it. I'm just gonna do that. Just to show you guys, like how it looks when it's charging. Supposed to be like a rainbow color. I have this wrapped. I'm gonna plug it into a unit just to show you guys how it looks. So I don't know if you guys can see, there is a light green, blue, white, yellow. It has some indication that your thing is working. So the trusty BlackBerry. So for those people who knows about the BlackBerries, you can plug it in and it's charging. So it's also reinforced because sometimes when you do use your cables, it tends to break on this end or it just gets weird. So there is a reinforced on this end and on the USB port. But I noticed that the Type C version is slightly different. It's a little bit more thicker, but a little bit more smoothened out on the ends. So let me show you the Type C. The Type A. So yeah, but this one is really nice. I like the color of what it shows. So I change color every time, which is cool, and it's supposed to work with every device. But use micro USB. So if you know the BlackBerry style of inputs, you will know that that one, that USB micro port, which is not like the Type C where you can just plug in and just use it however you want to, and it doesn't matter which way you put it in. This one you have to be very careful when you place it in because it doesn't have the anyway Type C, just like the Type A thing. There's only one way where it can go in, and that's the only way. Let me show you guys again. So it has that little nubbins or pin part. I put it together. Yeah, so this is just an unboxing of the two cables what I bought on Takealot. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon and a lot of online shops, trusted online shops, and yeah, so far I've been happy with this cables, and it's quite handy, especially like when you buy a new phone and it comes with a very thin um, cable, or it doesn't feel like it's gonna last too long. This one is nice to have with you, um, and it's durable. I've been using the other type C cable in my Sony phone, and that's been like plugged in long hours all day in, and it's been working perfectly. I do trust this Baseus cable manufacturer, and it seems like it's Chinese or Korean or so. Anyone in the comments, let me know what does that say. I'd probably just say the name Baseus. So yeah, and let me know what do you guys think about the cable. Do you use the Type C one, which is like this? Oh, and there is various colors. There's black, red, which this one I have here. I think there's a green one and a white one like this. Same in this one, but this one has this nice light indication, and that's very cool. I wish they put that on Type C, but I guess they didn't feel like doing it. But yeah, this is just an unboxing of the video. Well, unboxing of the Baseus cables. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. This is the micro USB to Type A, and then there is the Type C to Type A USB. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, the different ways of how they package the thing. And I'm going to be using those cables for the new devices which I have, which you will see in the next few videos that I'll upload, where I'm actually unboxing the new phone what I'm going to be using, and see how's that going to be lasting. Like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do appreciate the likes, the comments, and so on, and the info and the feedback what you guys give, because that actually helps my channel. I am trying different things, as you guys can hear. I'm trying a little bit of music, trying a little bit of different editing stuff. I'm not going crazy on the stuff because I also want to stick to the original way of how I normally do unboxings. And I know a lot of people say that that's too long, or it's too unnecessary, or it could be a 10-minute video. But when you do make videos like this, you do forget some things, but you also want to give some information, or as much information to your viewers and your subscribers and so on. Again, I do appreciate people who's watching my videos, sharing my videos, liking the videos, even those who's disliking the videos. I also appreciate everyone who's giving some feedback. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe, and click the bell button so you guys will know when I'm actually posting out another video. I am posting out videos very slowly because certain things is happening, but yeah, always try and stay safe out there, even though some people is not being safe out there, but you guys try and stay safe. And yeah, always try and stay positive, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm not quite sure what's the next video gonna be, but I'm always excited for the next one. Yeah, stay safe out there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers guys.